paper because it will be messy. See, look down there. It's messy. So we have to put it in hot water though. We're going to dump it. And I also had a haircut. And today we're opening Zuru Smashers Dino Ice Age Super Surprise 24 Super. I gotta read it. How many ducks do I have? So this is Smashers. Dino eggs. Dino eggs. Does dinosaurs even lay eggs like chicken wings? Bye-bye, boy. That's garbage. So we're going to open this one. Remember, there's always plastic. There's always plastic, so your mom has to help you take off the plastic. Or if you know how to take off plastic, great.
Oopsies. I think I broke something. Wow.
Wow! Including, what is this? Including, there's even instructions. Not instruction, I mean characters you can get. I don't know what character I'm going to get, but comment below, get this, and then say in the chat what you got. So I know what you got. Because there's a lot of things. There's Frosty Fox, Cheddar Tooth Tiger, Snowflake Snake, Sub-Zero Musquet, Blizzard Brancho, Winter Wolf, Cool Lex, Ectacold. Okay. So I'm not going to read them all. You read them all. Okay guys, I'm gonna open it. So there's another, I think this is a correct straw. Maybe I don't know now. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so looks like there's a bit of slime. Oh my gosh. There's slime? Yuck. Okay, looks like there's a puppy. So we got the other one. No. So we got another iceberg thingy. Maybe somebody already ruined it. We got this again. Sorry, but I don't have to, I'm sorry guys, but I just have to tell you this. A piece. So we got this. We're gonna open it. Oh, it's snowy too. Well, my T-Rex guy. We get this egg. Guys, if you want, watch the part 1 when I unboxed my Smashers. Because you don't know what I did.
because I made a mistake. You're supposed to, you have to feed it in the mouth and then you just have to press the egg. Like this, it's broken. Okay. So this is like slime, I don't know, but I don't want to put slime in my shoes. I don't know what's in here because there's some red. And you have to put it in water and then until it breaks. I don't know what this is. This is like a package. This, I don't know. This, I don't know. Another package. This is eggs. I lay some eggs. And this is a nest. This is a giant egg. This is another egg. There's a small one and a giant one. So we're going to connect it again. Let's try if we can connect this together. Okay, looks like I did the bottom. So I just broke it. See that for actually when I broke it, but I wish Zuru sponsored us. Don't never put it in the carpet as you have one. Because when we did that, it spilled everywhere. You have to run and get something like this. So it's bubbling, guys. Look, the water is blue. You're just putting more. Look, guys. You see it's light blue. But whenever you buy this, make sure. That's why we're doing this, guys, for you to know. For you guys to know what's going to happen or not happen. So, hello. We're just making it. Now my head is burning. So there's slime, guys, too. We're just putting a lot of dumped water. So guys, look. Da 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 da. My delicious cooking.
Where's the surprise?
Huh?
Is there a surprise there?
Yeah. Maybe there's more fun or maybe there's a surprise. Make sure you dip it in. Make sure you, when you get this, cause I'm going to use. We're going to use a glove to get the surprise. That's burning right now. Mommy, can I get more water? Okay. Mommy, please getting some more. It's like a nice cube, guys. I see some red.
Let's get it. Mommy, can I get it?
And I have a safety gloves and a mask. So where should we start? Oh, what is this? What is this? We just did this. Wow. So guys, this is slime. Wowie, wow, wow. Look at my hands. Let's try to dump it. Huh? Can you dump it? Let's try to dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Wow. Jiggly, 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 bum, jiggly, 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 bum, jiggly, 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 bum. Okay, what's inside? Yeah! Yeah! I can't do it. I can't do it. Nobody's gonna know. 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 I don't know how to take this off. Please help me. Please help me by clicking the like button. Please subscribe to build the pterodactyl. And comment because I will give you $1,069. No! My Terry! Where do I name him Terry? It's stuck. This is slime. It gets stuck. Huh? Slime time! Slime time! I was flat poo. Slimy, slimy, mom. Who like slime or don't or if you don't like slime, just subscribe. Egg. I was black. You like egg. So right now I have egg in my hands.